Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through my process for the motorcycle shoot that I organized a couple months ago. So first I came across this photo and I thought it would be really cool to shoot something similar to that. So I needed someone that could possibly do stunts with a bike. Then I remembered that I follow a photographer that tagged a model in his shoot that rides bike. So I reached out to the model and I shared a brief idea what I would like to create, and I asked him if he would like to do a collaboration. So after he agreed, the next thing for me was to organize a Zoom or FaceTime call to discuss all of the details. I always do this with models that I never worked before because camera calls are the best way for introduction. They learn a bit about you, you learn about them. This way you remove that discomfort of not knowing who you will be working with. So when the actual shoot day comes, everything goes way less stressful because you feel like you kind of know each other already. So once we scheduled our call, I did my research, I created an inspiration board and found a location. That way, after our call, model leaves with a good idea what to expect and prepare for. So now we came to the part where I will show you behind the scenes of the shoot and of course final photos. But first I want to give a shout out to my friend Pablo that shot these behind the scenes videos for me and made me look good. Thank you. And now let's just go to the shoot day. Okay, so how are we feeling about the shoot? I feel very proud of it. I think everyone did a great job. We had so much fun. It was very easy to work together. We were sharing our ideas and just let it flow. I would love to hear what you guys think about this shoot in the comments below. And if you like this video, please let me know by hitting thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.